Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Homemade TV. This is the second part of Dorico's play mode and we're going to explore even more in depth. So let's go. Okay, so in the first video I told you guys about this section and let's go now a little bit to here. These are quite basic. This is basically just a way to resize your tracks, and as you can see it changes because there's no way to just grab them. And as you can see, if I double click, I can just close and open the tracks. And there are also some indicators here, this thing you can pull back and forth to make it large or small as you wish. And you have the tempo here, which you can enable or disable. If you change the tempo through your score, you're going to see this guy here going up and down here. And next to it, you have your markers, which you can add markers to your score. And there's also this plus here, which makes it easy. And this is the same markers as the markers that you put for film and stuff, that there is a timing in it. So I'm going to say hello. And let's see if it actually in our score. Yeah, as you can see here, and the timing is also written there. And also don't mind the score. I just wrote some stuff down, copy pasted just for the sake of the tutorial, nothing really substantial or complicated. But yeah, let's go. So that was the markers, and if you just want to make it go away, you can press this and you have the chord track here. And I'm saying chord track because actually in Cubase it's called chord tracks. I'm going to also call it the chord track because it's really similar. And as you can see, if I press on it, nothing's going to happen. But you have these chord names right here, which are exactly similar to the chords that you add in your score above your notes. So if I change this to, for example, a B minor, and if I go to play again, as you can see, this is happening here. And also there is a really cool feature here which can play back your chords, which honestly I just discovered it right now, which is really nice. And that happens if you press this speaker thing here, and I'm going to press it right now. So you can hear your chords actually. So I'm going to mute these. Now listen, I'm going to put it back, play. Yeah, it's really cool. But now, let me talk a little bit about this tempo thing again, because that's where the fun is. And we're going to see if I can make it bigger. No, it's not possible. Sadly, this is all you get here. But you have a bigger view down here. And as you can see, it's just showing this timing here. But now we're going to see what it equals to. This timing that we have here, it's actually the timing that we have above up there. And my score doesn't have any time signatures. So let's see if we add any time signature, what's gonna change. So I'm gonna do Shift M, and I'm gonna add a 4/4. And let's go back. As you can see now, you have the groups here, your measures, and also in tempo. So this tempo is exactly showing the bars that you have in your score. And the line here indicates your tempo right now, which is equals to the 120 BPM up there, and you have it down here too. And what you can do, as you can see, I just click there, and I'm just dragging. And you can change the tempo. And it's like super high up there, and it goes down and goes down. And what I did now was using this line tool to add tempos here, and you have two more. You have this draw thingy here. It's like a pen, and you can draw whatever you want. It works really nice when you want to make like accelerandos or retardandos or whatever you want to do. It's really nice here because you can make it as fast or slow as you want. And you have these the select here, which you can just select a bunch of them and grab them and take them up and down. But what happens in the score now? So when we add that thing, and you can see up right here, it changed, but what happens in the score? So let's go and see. I'm gonna go to write mode, and as you can see, we have a lot of tempo changes here. And it's gonna work, it's gonna sound like we specified, but my suggestion is that once you are done with them, you can hide them by using here, going to view, you can go to your signposts and just go for your tempo down here, and you can disable them. So they're gone, but anyway, let's go back to our play mode and see what else we have. And you might wondering what these two are. These two don't do anything with the tempo, and honestly they should be kind of disabled here so you don't make a mistake, because it just doesn't do anything. These are used for notes that I'm going to explain in the next video when we finish talking about the piano roll. And let's go back to tempo again, and you have these delete or erase, like the recycle bin here, which is just for deleting stuff. You can just click on this arrow, select the whole thing, and clicking on this erase or delete button here. I actually clicked on delete now, so it works the same. And again, these two work with only your piano roll, so we will talk about them later. And I really hope that you enjoyed the video till now. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section. And also, please don't forget to subscribe, because the next video I'm going to talk about the piano roll, which is amazing. And till later, Homayun, out.